Now let's talk about what is Hawthorne effect. It refers to the change in behavior of individuals who know they are being observed or studied. This concept emerged from the study conducted by Elton Mayo to investigate the effects of various physical conditions like lighting on worker productivity. There are key findings of the Hawthorne studies. First is attention from researchers. The fact that the workers were being observed and giving attention led to an increase in their productivity. Second is social factors. The studies highlighted the importance of social relations and worker attitudes in the workplace. And third is the group dynamics. Group norms and peer pressure were found to significantly impact individual productivity and behavior. To illustrate the Hawthorne effect, a company sets up cameras and informs the customer service department that they are being observed as part of a study to improve working conditions. The company also makes several changes such as adjusting the lighting, introducing new ergonomic chairs, and providing additional training sessions. Because of this, the productivity of the CSRs increases. The employees start handling more calls efficiently, demonstrate better customer service skills, and show a more positive attitude towards work. Thank you and happy learning.